This full set of DISUTOGO seat covers is tailored specifically for multiple generations of the Toyota Highlander, so the fit looks close to factory rather than like a generic slip-on. The synthetic leather feels thick and resilient, offering strong resistance to wear, liquid spills, and everyday grime, while still wiping clean with minimal effort. Cushioning and surface finish are designed to add noticeable comfort on longer drives, giving the seats a more upscale, supportive feel than the original fabric alone. The design preserves important safety and usability features by allowing side airbags and seat belts to function normally, and by including storage pockets and child seat compatibility. Coverage extends around the entire seat, including the headrests, with zipper sections that help the covers wrap securely and protect the original upholstery from all sides. Installation is straightforward for a full set, with labeled pieces, hooks, and adjustable sections that let one person get everything mounted and aligned in a short session.